Class 12 English Indigo Question and Answers Part 2 17. Name the professor of Arts College in Muzaffarpur whom Gandhi met before. Ans. J. B. Kripalani was the professor of Arts College in Muzaffarpur whom Gandhi met in Tagore's Shanti Niketan school before. 18. What was the incident that prompted Gandhi to raise his voice of protest against the British? Ans. Gandhi was summoned for trial in the Motihari Law Court as he disregarded the British order to leave Champaran. At this news, the courthouse was surrounded by thousands of peasants. The court authority was baffled. They sought the helping hand of Gandhi to regulate the mob. This incident prompted him to raise his voice of protest against the British. 19. Where and when was the annual convention of Indian National Congress Party held? Ans. The annual convention of Indian National Congress was held on the month of December 1916 in Lucknow. This large assembly was attended by 301 delegates from various parts of India and many other visitors. 20. Who was Rajkumar Shukla? Why did he come to the Congress session? Ans. Rajkumar Shukla was a poor and emaciated sharecropper who was illiterate but resolute. He came to the Congress session, held in Lucknow, to complain about the injustice of British landlords' system prevailed in Champaran under an ancient arrangement. 21. How did Shukla succeed in persuading Gandhi to go visit Champaran? Ans. At the refusal of Gandhi to go to Champaran immediately due to his previous appointment to some places, Shukla remained with Gandhi. He accompanied Gandhi wherever he went. Even Shukla told about the injustice to the sharecroppers. By this way his tenacity Shukla succeeded to persuade Gandhi to visit Champaran. 22. Why did Gandhi choose to go to Muzaffarpur before going to Champaran? Ans. Gandhi chose to go to Muzaffarpur from Patna before going on to Champaran. Actually visiting Muzaffarpur he wanted to collect more reliable and complete information about the British landlords' system than the illiterate Shukla could impart. 23. Why did Gandhi chide the lawyers? Ans. Under the British landlords' system, the Indian peasants were crushed down and made fear-stricken by deception. In that India, the law courts were useless for the natives where they could not hope of justice. The lawyers took big fee from the peasants for taking their cases to the law courts. So, Gandhi chided them. 24. Why did the indigo planters obtain new agreements from the sharecroppers to pay them compensation? Why did many sign willingly? Ans. Indigo sharecroppers was going on in Champaran under an ancient arrangement. Meanwhile Germany developed chemical indigo. After this event, the big planters obtained new agreement to release the tenants from 15% share and to have compensation from them. The sharecropping system was a troublesome one for the peasants. So, many of them signed willingly. 25. Where did Gandhi visit to get real facts of the whole episode of Indigo? What did the secretary tell him? Ans. Arriving in Champaran, Gandhi visited the secretary of the British Landlords Association to get real facts of the whole episode of Indigo. At the urge for information, the secretary told Gandhi that they could give no information to an outsides. 26. What was the official notice that Gandhi received? What did he reply? Ans. At the house of the police constable, Gandhi received an official notice. It was an order for Gandhi to leave Champaran immediately. As a reply, Gandhi wrote in the receipt that he would disobey the order. It was an offence for which he was summoned for trial. 27. Who summoned Gandhi in the month of June? What was the plan Gandhi laid with his leading associates? Ans. In the month of June, the Lieutenant Governor of Tirhat Division, Sir Edward, summoned Gandhi for interview. In consequence, Gandhi met his leading associates and laid detailed plan for civil disobedience if he would not return. 28. What was the result of serious interviews that Gandhi had with the Lieutenant Governor? Who were the representative in the official commission? Ans. Gandhi had sat in 4 prolonged interviews with Sir Edward Gate regarding the injustice to the peasants. As a result, the governor appointed an official inquiry commission to investigate the sharecroppers' situation. All the landlords, government officials and Gandhi were the representative of the commission. 29. Why did Gandhi agree to the settlement of 25% refund to the peasants? Ans. Surprising all, Gandhi agreed to the settlement of 25% refund to the peasants. Explaining his decision, he said that the amount of refundable money was less important for him. His satisfaction rested on the fact that the British were compelled to surrender part of their prestige with part of money. 30. What did Gandhi do to improve the health condition in the Champaran villages? Ans. Before independence, the health condition in the Champaran villages was too worse. People had to wait for destiny. Medical treatment could not reach them. To improve their health condition, Gandhi managed a doctor somewhere else. The doctor volunteered to serve the people for 6 months only with 3 medicines. 31. What did the servants of Rajendra take Gandhi to be? Why did he not allowed to draw water from the wells? Ans. At the arrival of Gandhi and Shukla in the house of Rajendra Prasad. Rajendra Prasad was out of Patna. The servants took Gandhi as a sharecropper and untouchable one because he was with the yeoman Shukla. The servants did not allow Gandhi to draw water from the well, as they feared that a few drops of water from his bucket might pollute the entire well. 32. What did Gandhi do to remove the social and cultural backwardness in the Champaran villages? Ans. During his stay in Champaran, Gandhi noticed the social and cultural backwardness of its villages. Immediately he called on people to come to Champaran. Many people including Kasturbai arrived in Champaran. With the help of others, primary schools were established in 6 villages while Kasturbai taught the ashram rules of personal cleanliness and community sanitation. A doctor was brought in and he volunteered his service for 6 months.